Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Paul Design channel. And if you are new in this place, make sure you subscribe to my channel. So in today's tutorial, we are going to learn on how to make an eye transition. This is where you have to shoot your video close to, very close, capturing your eye open, so that now we can get a very nice shot, a very nice clip to make an eye transition. So let's get started. Okay, now guys, open up your KineMaster. Come here to the plus button to add a new project. Select the aspect ratio 16:9. Okay, so we select our video. Going to select our video. There it is. Now this is our video. So like that. Now I'm gonna split. Okay, now let's play. So now we want to capture place where we are going to insert our transition. So what we are going to do, I'm going to crop, split and insert frame freeze. I'm selecting split and insert frame freeze. So you see guys, this clip here, it has been freezed. So now we play like that. Okay, now we can delete this one, so we remain with the remaining part. So now again, what we're going to do, we're gonna select a place where we want to start our video. So we're going to add a new video. So that is the video. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the cropping. I'm going to crop, select mask, then I'll select the shape. I'm going to choose the circle, and then I resize the video until it becomes the circle. I resize, so like that. Now I click OK. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to drag this video and position it right direct in the pupil of my eye. This is to position direct in the pupil of my eye using my finger. The pupil. So another thing that I'm going to do is to add on feather to make sure that it blends with the part I want. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add in animation, and this time I'm going with the fade. So like that. Now you can see. So okay, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to save my video. Okay, now I'm going to do, I'm going to start a new project. Here I'll click a new project. So I'll bring in my new video. I'll bring in the video I've just made. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to split playhead. Then this part I'm going to pan and zoom. So starting position I just leave the way it is. So I'll go to the end position, how I want it to end. Now I'll come and zoom out. So now you can see right in the pupil of my eye. So now like that. So So let's play and see. So you can see. All right, thank you. So now what we're going to do again, I'm going to add now the video that I've put direct in the pupil of my eye. So I'll come here at the media, not at the layer. Mark, I'm not going to put at the layer, so I'm going to add the background, like the background. So add in on that video. Okay, here it is. Okay, so okay, let's play and see. Okay, we can save it now. All right, complete. Okay, like that. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to like my videos, and also to hit the bell button for you to receive notifications whenever I'll be uploading a new video. Bye.